Take a ride in the 2011 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, power passenger seat, power lift gate, dual airbags, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, remote vehicle start, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.